What is governance in cybersecurity? Really about how to govern the cybersecurity function of your organization. Governance complements the technical areas such as firewalls and intrusion detection and logs and configuration management. You see, governance is super important, sometimes, often neglected aspect in cybersecurity. If neglected for a while, the impact can have a pretty profound impact. I get it. As a former technologist and cybersecurity analyst, I liked technical things like scanning all the systems every day or installing agents on every computer that monitors and reports to a dashboard. How cool is that? Or responding to incidents and figuring out exactly what happened so ideally that wouldn't happen again in the future. But now I focus mostly on cybersecurity governance, how the cybersecurity program is built, how it operates, and how it actually adds value to the business. But what are some of these governance topics? I'm glad you asked. Several topics, not all, but several topics include security policy, like having a policy, reviewing it every once in a while, third-party risk management, how you deal with working with other vendors, other providers to do things on your behalf, risk management, physical security. How about education and awareness of all your colleagues, of your sysadmins, of those who have elevated privileges, or maybe even your executives? Change management, exception management. How often are changes made? Are they approved? And how long do exceptions actually live on? Are they live forever? Or do you put an expiration date on them? I know, crazy idea. Or maybe, take a deep breath here, maybe working with your internal and external audit functions seems to be an important aspect of governance. So, all that said, what should your takeaway be? Find a topic inside of security governance. And if it's not being done right now, go ahead and put a recurring reminder on your calendar every week, maybe even just 15 minutes, and spend some time in that area in support of the cybersecurity program that you are privileged to lead. And when you do that, you get wisdom as cheaply as you can. Hey, I would absolutely love to have you subscribe so you can get notified of future videos just like this, and we'll see you next time.